Good morning. It's another beautiful day, as you can see. I am on my way to meet Eston and Adrian, get breakfast at Clem's on Wells Street, and then we're going to, I think, Churubusco to take down a huge oak tree. I hear there's a bobcat there that's going to do all the log lifting, so we don't have to touch one log. I'm pretty sure we just have to take care of the brush or something, but it's going to be a good day. We're going to be safe, and it's going to be fun. Good morning. There's a cup of Joe.
You want your white?
First, right? Just go ahead, give me a second. There's a caterpillar in my notch. I made it to the top. We're gonna piece this big dog out. We're gonna get this lead. Get the biggest lead down first. We're gonna do one cut at a time. We're gonna be safe, and we're gonna drop bombs today. Wow! Dang, that was huge. I'll just relax for a bit. Headache! Perfect! Dang! There's a lot more sunlight now. It's so nice out today. It's snowing sawdust, boys! Perfect! That caterpillar went for a ride. It's a big one. Perfect! Go! Dang! Oh my goodness. I just sent a lot of caterpillars for a ride. That was good. Woo! No. Alright, we're popping the final top. Yep. Yes. Coming down. that thing looks totally different.